Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not rotating on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve not rotating on TikTok app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that, you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok and you can click. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about TikTok, you can uninstall your app and then you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.